Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the basics of Photoshop and some tools of Photoshop and their function, that how we can use the Photoshop and their tools and what is their function and so on. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, simply you have to click on the create new. You have to create a new file. Here you have to define Here you have to define the width of the thing that which you are working on or which you want to create. Like if you want to design a logo, if you want to design a Pinaplex or poster. So first of all, you have to mention the design of that thing. For example, you have to write the width here, you have to write the height here, and then here you have to select the units in pixels, inches, and which thing you want. After that, we have color mode in RGB color and then CMYK color. We have 5 colors, but these are the 2 basic colors in which I want to make you sure that RGB color is used for that thing if you want to use that thing digitally. For example, you are making a logo or you are making a picture or you are making a Pinaflex and you don't want to make it print, then you will use the RGB mode. If you want to print that thing which you are working on, then you have to choose the CMYK color mode. So this is the difference between CMYK and RGB. If you want the thing to be printed, then you have to select the CMYK color. And then if you don't want the thing should be printed, then you can use the RGB color mode. So I'm going to use RGB color mode. After that, you have to select the background and then simply hit the create. As you can see, after hitting on the create, we have a new page which size we have mentioned, and then we have here the layer panel. This is the Photoshop. These are the tools which we are going to use in Photoshop and their function also, and these are the layers. And after that, so let's start from the first. Here we have a tool which is called shape, and here you are going to see the shape of rectangle, and you have simply right click here. After right click, you have to select the shapes here. For example, I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to drag this. So this is the simple, your shape is created. So simply here's the shape, and after the shape, if you want to change the shape fill, from here you can change the shape fill. For example, you want red color, then select the red, then press the OK. You will get a red color. After that, you have outline color. You can select the outline color. For example, I want to select this one outline color, and here's the outline size. You can increase the outline size if you want to increase that. You can also do that. After you have outline types, that is should be stroke or dotted or outlined, we have a first tool which is called move. This move tool is used for to moving objects. For example, you want to move a picture, you want to move a logo or object, picture, text, anything you want to move, you have to simply use this move tool. For example, I want to the shortcut key of move tool is V, and for example I have taken the move tool and then I'm moving it here. You can keep it anywhere you want with the help of move tool. So this is the simple. As you can see here, as I created a shape, new layer is generated here. So with everything you are going to work on, with everything you are going to make new one, here will be a layer automatically generated. So this should be in your mind. So I hope for this class, this was the introduction of Photoshop, and we discussed about the minor tools of the Photoshop and their function, like move tool and the shape tool, but many things are remaining. So we are going to discuss about them in the next video. So see you in the next video.